Are you stuck? Are your push-ups feeling like a joke? You can pump out 20, maybe 30, but that magic 100 rep goal feels impossible. Here is the cold, hard truth. Your 3 sets of 10 are garbage. It's a waste of time. You're training for volume, not for insane endurance. If you want 100 reps, you have to stop counting sets and start embracing failure. I'm giving you the elite level secret that nobody else teaches. It's not about doing more. It's about training smarter. It's called the push-up progressive failure ladder. Listen up. The biggest mistake people make is stopping when it feels hard. To hit 100 push-ups, you need to push past the wall. You need to totally exhaust your muscles using a simple 4-step progression. The principle: we're going to move from the hardest push-up variation you can manage down to the easiest with 0 rest in between. This is one giant, brutal rep-building set. Get ready to earn those reps. This is the only way you're getting from 10 to 100. Step 1, the decline bomb. We start with the hardest step, the decline push-up. Prop your feet up on a bench or chair. Drive these until complete muscle failure. When your form breaks and you can't get your chin to the ground, you switch. Step 2, the full rep grind. Drop your feet to the floor immediately. No hesitation. Hit as many perfect normal push-ups as you possibly can. Your arms are already fatigued, which is exactly what we want. Fail and move on. Step 3, the incline relief. Grab your chair or a counter and place your hands on the elevated surface. This makes it the 3rd step in our ladder. Grind out every single rep until you physically cannot push yourself up one more time. Failure is the goal. Step 4, the knee finisher. Finally, the last step on the ladder, the knee push-up. This is the finisher. You are squeezing out every last drop of energy. Don't stop until you collapse. This final set is where the real games are forged. The routine. You will run this entire 4-step ladder 2 to 3 times per day, 3 to 4 times a week. Stop training like an amateur. Start training like a beast. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribing is an absolute must. Thanks for watching.